Hi guys, kamusta? I hope you are safe and well. So in this video, we will discuss how to solve regression, simple regression using Excel, the linear and the multiple regression. So regression, we have two types of regression, the linear and the multiple regression. So for regression, we are just looking for the equation of the best fitted line. So in regression, we have what we call a linear relationship between two variables x and y. It can be expressed by this formula, y is equal to bx plus a. Now, a is just a constant and b is the slope. This is normally used when we want to predict or to forecast a result. Now, how do we look for this best fitted equation in Excel? So in Excel, the first that we should remember is we should create a scatter graph. So we will know if this is linear relationship. So here, click insert, and we have here the scatter graph. So I hope you can see the scatter graph. I will click this, and then create a scatter graph. Okay, as you observe, you can write a line here, a best fitted line. They are both in this direction, right? So maybe they have a relationship. And what equation is that? The best fitted line equation. So all you have to do is click this graph and then chart design. You see chart design and go to quick layout. And you will see the FX. This one, layout 9. The FX will show you an equation. And yes, this will be our equation. Y is equal to this one is what we call the regression line, the best fitted line. I hope you still remember R squared. R squared says that 42%, this is 0.42, that 42% of the y's is predicted, of the y's is predicted by the x's. Okay, but this is just the simple way of looking for a regression equation. But normally, in higher statistics, we use this one. Okay, are you ready? First, you will go to data. So again, we go to data. In data, we go to data analysis. Now, I hope you, in your Excel, if it's 2016 and above version, you should have a data analysis. You can go to tools and add them if you don't have one. And then we have all of the analysis tool here. We will select regression. Now, what is our Y range? Y range is the number or the values that you want to predict. In our case, we want to predict the grades of the students. And the X range is the input. And we want to predict the grade of the students if they have this family income. Okay, so you select for the Y grades and for the X, the family income. And then you check the following. Check the labels, and then check the confidence level. Normally, the default is 95%, but you can also change that if the problem is asking you to have 90% confidence level or other values. Then click new worksheet and then click OK. And you will have this a lot of output. But for regression, we will only focus on this. Okay? We will focus on this. This is y is equal to bx plus a. A is the intercept. So this is B, family, income, x plus intercept. So in our case, we have this answer. Y is equal to 0.11 x plus intercept 77.96. Let's use 96. This is same, similar to what we computed using the scatter graph.